Hey friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have project number 65 to share with you today. We're going to use the delightfully eclectic DSP. We're using this heart pattern paper and Pretty Peacock as our coordinating color. We have a basic 4x5¼ inch panel for this project. We're going to stamp with everyday things and sweet sorbet. I used stylish shaped dies for both the sentiment tag and the focal image tag, so something bright and cheerful. Then we're going to use the blend marker and we're going to color in some of the hearts on our DSP. So here are the parts and pieces we're using for the project today, and you can get all the details on my mini DSP tutorial emails. Okay, so start by folding and creasing your card base. Then with liquid adhesive, we're going to add that panel that we colored on, slightly tipped to the left. The vellum layer is going to go over to the right, slightly tipped to the right. Now take a minute to place the two elements onto your panel to see how they're going to fit. Then use dimensionals to pop both of them up onto that panel. When you're done adhering the two pieces with dimensionals, you're going to flip the vellum layer over and use liquid adhesive to just put adhesive behind where those two elements are. This will hide your adhesive. Flip it back over, adhere it to the front of your card, and you are good to go. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the project today. You can subscribe here to YouTube so you don't miss out on any of my future projects. You can also go back and see past projects. And if you need information, visit me at pumpkinhillstampers.com. You can find my host code, ask me questions, get my newsletter, or whatever else you might need. Okay guys, until next time, do some fun stamping!